Adulting Products Club Factory Holy Sale Haul. 5 products from Club Factory for 150 rupees that are extremely useful for your house. Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Aditi here. Today's video is gonna be the Adulting Club Factory haul. They're really cute. Same time, they're extremely useful. It's not just gonna be a haul, but I'm gonna show you how exactly I use it and if a product is really useful or just cute. Let's get started. It's been almost a year since I shopped from Club Factory. I'll link my older video down below. When I shopped that time, the Club Factory was really new into the market and they didn't have free shipping. They had charges of all other sorts of it, but now it's a free shipping in India and they have returns and refunds option, which is quite amazing. The site has really improved a lot. Certain products are really good, certain products are not all of that great, but in this video I'm going to share the 5 cheapest and amazingly useful products for your room from Club Factory. Cute looking adulting stuff. I really feel bad to show you, okay, because I'm all into fashion, all the cute stuff, and I didn't know I'll end up with this soon, but you know, this is very essential. So this is actually the cutest little thing that you can find. Penguin shaped box. Guys, it's actually a bathroom brush. I just opened from the package. In the picture it was more of a darker color, but here it looks kind of light. I really love Pingu so much. Pingu is my favorite cartoon and this is the brush that gets into it. It's really nice. I really don't like this cleaning and all sorts of obviously I have to do, so I thought I might as well get something cute that will actually motivate me to use it. So it's totally my type. Some of you girls might like it, some of you don't, but this is really useful. And I still haven't used the brush because I want to show it in the video. I don't know how it will clean and all that, but the quality of the brush is really good. Once I make the room completely, I'm gonna do a video of it, so that time this will all make sense why I got all of this. This is actually a hook that has a tape on the sides, a sticker on the side, so you can actually stick it on the wall and you can hang in some of your stuff here. This can be used both for kitchen, bathroom, even your room if you want to hang something to decorate things. So this is how it looks, and the best part is this is really flexible. This cannot take in a lot of it. It's not like the command strip. It's a plain white color, 6 pieces of it. It was only 70 rupees. I think it was quite okay for it because it's quite difficult to find it in the nearby shop that actually sticks well. So I'm going to show you how I use it. All you have to do is just remove the sticker and place it on the wall. Again, this cannot take in a lot of weight. If you can see here, I've actually used this for my room. Pretty much stays, but I have to wait and see how long it stays because for now I kind of feel it's really sturdy. The next thing that I picked up from Club Factory is this tray. It is actually a plastic tray that you can actually put it on your tile. Suction tape that you just have to put it inside the hole and just stick it on the wall. I wanted a green color, but you know, they just sent me only green. This is again used for really storing. I got this for my bathroom usage and that is what all these things for. I got 2 of this. One is already in use. I'm going to show you right now. This is how I've stuck the tray over here. Suction tape is actually, the suction is actually gone back, but it really works. See, it's really sturdy and I think I'm quite liking it. Disposable gloves. I actually got it for cleaning. Only after I got, I realized it was plastic and I kind of feel really bad for using plastic. In terms of usage, it's really good to use. I'm in a dilemma whether I have to return it back or I should use it and properly throw. 100 gloves for just about 100 rupees or 98 rupees, I believe. This is like this. So I just have it on both of my hands, so it's very great for cleaning. My skin is really extremely prone to allergies. I have dust allergy and also my skin beard kind of rashes and all that comes. So I need something like that. And the best part is everything is returnable. The most useful and the most cutest product from Club Factory is this little thing. I really love it. But honestly, I hate the color of it. I hate pinks. If I have to choose a pink, I would rather choose a dark pink. But actually, I got a yellow color. The tissue holder, the rod actually gets into the thing and you can put in the roll tissue over here and you can use it. Tissue actually comes out of this and I really like. I use tissue for 2 main purposes. One is for cleaning. Another tissue I have, face tissue. This is the yellow one that I said I got. This tissue holder. You can basically hang it in your washroom or anywhere possible. And if you can see inside, it has a roll attached. When I'm gonna pull out, the tissue paper is gonna come. A bit of it. This is really a cute holder where it can actually hold your tissues properly. And not just that, it doesn't get a lot of dirt because it's completely covered in between the tissue holder. So I think it's really cute and the most useful thing that you can ever get if you're a girl. I love this purchase a lot. Altogether, I paid only 750 rupees. Each product definitely costs only 150 if you're going to divide by 5. Obviously, there are no shipping charges. COD also they provide, but I paid online. So because online I trust Club Factory. In case of any kind of stock not available or any of that, you just get your refund back. So it's quite safe in that. Club Factory is running holy sale right now. By you watching the video, the sale is on. From 16th March till 22nd March, they are giving 80% off on all their amazing products. It includes clothing, footwear, home and everything. I'm just gonna give my invite code down below. Use it, you will definitely get some additional discounts and coupons. And added to that, I've listed some link of the products down below as well, so you can check it if you're really interested in buying them. And the products that I showed in today's video will also be linked below, so you can check it if you're interested. By the way, I have my second channel as well, so if you're not following my second channel, do consider following me on my second channel as well. The link of my second channel, everything is given below. So basically, I started my second channel to make videos in other language, but now I'm really considering changing it to a channel where I make videos in English only, because I'm really comfortable in that. I want to make videos completely based on my personal lifestyle, my home, my living, everything about it, because I think there's a lot of changes I've brought into my life and I feel really good about it. So I might make videos of like that type as well. So do consider following me on my second channel. I started making IGTV videos as well, so do consider checking my Instagram stories, Instagram TV. I have 2 Instagram accounts, one for this current channel, the second for the other channel which I recently started. Do follow me on both the accounts and check my Insta stories daily. If you want to talk with me on a personal level, feel free to DM me on my Instagram. I'll definitely get back to you. Tune into my channel again every Tuesday and Friday at 4 PM to find me with a brand new video. One of the circle is for this current channel and the other circle is for my second channel. Take a second to hit on those circles. You're going to get instantly subscribed to my channel for free, so that you can get all my videos directly onto your phone for free. Thank you so much for staying in on. Bye.